Today's vlog, we are gonna go to Best Price. So today we are gonna go to Best Price, and today we're gonna go to Best Price. Gonna go to Best Price and buy some snacks. I'm hungry and buy some snacks. I'm fat. To get snacks. Hello guys, over enthusiastic YouTuber greetings to all of y'all. So this is my official YouTube channel. I'm not sure where I'm going with this YouTube channel, but as you can see, I have nothing better to do with my life. I don't know how many subs I'm gonna get. The goal's 10. So since we're all in this lockdown, I've been on YouTube a lot, way too much time, and most of that time is spent watching vlogs. And so I've decided to take up vlogging. And if I do end up living under a bridge in the next 10 years, this one's on you guys. For today's vlog, we are gonna go to Best Price and buy some snacks because I'm hungry. I don't know. I mean, I was gonna wait till after the lockdown to start this channel, but then I ran out of vlogs to watch, so I decided to make my own vlogs. And so the Best Price is the closest option to my house. So I'm gonna go to Best Price and buy some snacks, and hopefully I'll see you guys there. So today we are gonna go to Best Price and buy some snacks because I'm fat. Uh, I'm running out of snacks, and I don't think I'll get a better opportunity to vlog in this lockdown. So I'll see you guys at Best Price. Hello guys. So today we're gonna go to Best Price again because we failed yesterday to get snacks. So I just got here and this is the situation. There is absolutely no one here. There are no guards, nothing. The whole place is empty. Hello guys. So that's Best Price right there. And so I've been trying to make this vlog for 4 days now, and some things kept coming up. And so yesterday what happened is I came here at 7 because it's supposed to open at 7, and there were hundreds of people. So I decided to take a calculated risk and come here early, and as it turns out, I'm very bad at math because there's absolutely no one here, not even guards or anything. So I guess I'm gonna have to camp out over here. So I'll see you guys inside. Okay, so apparently today is the 9th of May, not the 8th of May. So that makes today an odd day, and I'm supposed to know that because Best Price isn't going to open today. And so I feel really stupid for waiting an hour and a half outside Best Price for it to open. But at least I wasn't the only one because there were other people with me. So I'm going to go back tomorrow and hope I can complete this vlog this year at least. Hello guys, so today is the 5th day and today we're gonna go to Best Price and hopefully finally complete this vlog. Yes, see you guys. Okay, so today I did get a Best Price and there are a lot of people here. This is the entrance. Everyone has already lined up before 6 o'clock. So I feel very stupid because I thought I would be the first one here. Apparently I'm not. But they haven't opened the gates yet and there seems to be some kind of issue. I'm not sure what it is. I hope I get to vlog today. Today is the 5th day of this vlog. So let's hope I get to finish it. I'll see you guys inside if I can. Okay, so today I managed to get into Best Price, but apparently there's a token system to get into the mall, which is kind of cute, except for the fact that I have to 126. So there's 125 people before me. The first 10 haven't gone in yet, and people are already fighting. And I think I'm gonna be here the entire day, but I'm gonna do this for those 10 people who are gonna watch this vlog. This one's for you guys. Okay, so I've been sitting here for an hour and more people just keep coming in, and I was among the first to come here and I'm still waiting. So I feel very sad for these people. because they're gonna be here all day. And this dude just came out from inside and he's like, there's no stuff inside. So I'm worried if I'll get any snacks. If I don't, I might actually just cry, because this is seriously, this is day 5 of trying to do this. So let's see what happens. All of my friends are asleep because our sleep cycle starts now. So I have no one to talk to except my mom. I think she slept too. So I'm just gonna scroll through my feed for hours till I get in. Okay, so I am next and it's 7:30. After 2 hours I'm gonna be going in. So yes, we're gonna finish this vlog today. Okay, so we're inside Best Price and I just got in, and let's see how this turns out. Most important thing, I really need chocolates because I've been craving something sweet a lot these days. So I'm gonna get some Snickers, but I can't find any. So I got these and these, 6 each, and it's getting pretty obvious that I've just come to buy random snacks, not like everyone else who's buying actual food. Okay, so things are getting tough. I have to choose between one crate of this or one crate of these, either one. And I have never had to face such a tough decision in my life. I think I'm gonna go with Sprite. Not sure, but yeah, I think it's Sprite. So far, I've got all this stuff. I just need a few more things, and we can leave. 5 days for all of this stuff. Okay, so I try to find a quiet spot, but I don't think I'll be able to film much more because I have to keep dodging these employees because I don't think I'm allowed to film in here. But anyway, I've got everything that I need, or basically everything I'll be allowed to buy. Because if I buy too much, my mom will kill me. So I'm gonna head to the billing counter and see you guys there. So I've got Sprite, Hershey's, cup noodles, chocos, hide and seek, sausages, Pringles, Snickers, and I've got cream fills over there. Okay, so I hope that this lasts a month because I'm never coming back here ever again. And this billing counter line isn't that long, but I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm running out of content and I don't want to get caught. Okay, so this is what I ended up buying, all of this stuff, and I don't know if you noticed, but when I was checking out, there were no chips in my trolley, and so all those chips just came home today. So I think this is gonna be the thumbnail, right? Because it looks like something I would click on. Okay, guys, that's it for today's vlog. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Yes, this vlog took a month, but I promise the next one won't, so please stay tuned for more vlogs.